Several more days of dry. And the reason, high pressure, it gives the last week, and well, look, it is very close by doing the same thing again this week. And whilst it's here, it blocks more active weather systems that otherwise would give us wind and rain from coming in from the Atlantic. There are some subtle changes around, and one of those is a stronger wind across the south. That is making it feel even colder, despite some sunshine, and there's plenty of that at the moment across the north and the west of the UK. Let's focus on where we have some sunny spells this afternoon into the southwest, but it's here we have that strong and cold wind. It's gusting even stronger than this when you factor that in, and across Wales too, particularly over the mountains and to the west. Despite the sunshine, it is feeling even colder than 4 or 5 degrees. Breezy but dry across Northern Ireland, with the sunshine tending to come and go. And the blue here across Scotland shows well, there'll be some places today that don't come out of the frost after such a cold night last night. It was -9 or -10 in places. 1 or 2 spots just creeping above freezing. But we've got plenty of sunshine. And some of that too into the northwest of England, although across England generally more cloud than we had over the weekend. We started with sunshine through East Anglia in the southeast, but more cloud is now filtering in from the north sea, so we're losing that sunshine here. And we've still got that strong cold wind down towards the southeast and south coast. Now overnight we'll hold on to a lot of cloud, and for that reason it's not going to be as cold as it was last night. For most, temperatures will be a degree or two either side of freezing. Still frosty, not as frosty. The exception though across the north of Scotland. Here again we could get down to -9 or -10 in places. Dry for most, but we might just squeeze out a little bit drizzle from the cloud, especially down towards the southwest. Maybe a little snow. Nothing of significance, but you might notice it if you're out and about overnight. But it will be another cold start to the day tomorrow, another frosty one too. And it's a case, once the frost melts away for most of us, is where will we get some sunshine? It looks as if the north and the west will be most favoured for that, but a cloudy day across southern Scotland, and temperatures again around 3 or 4 degrees. Now for the rest of the week, what will change will be cloud amounts, sunshine tending to come and go, but these two are the constants: dry but still cold. So here's a look at Wednesday. We'll have some sunshine in places, more especially out towards the south and the west. More cloud at times in the east, and still no great change in how the weather feels. And it will still be breezy at times, especially down towards the southwest. So no great change in the weather. Dry but cold for the moment. The heating on full notch. So